は Y です。In this presentation, you'll learn basic structure X は Y です。Also, you explore particles such as は and か。Lastly, you're gonna learn how to use this. X は Y です。X は Y ですか？ X indicates subject or main topic and Y indicates thing or things describing X. Particle は Particle は is a topic subject marker. Always supports topic and subject in a sentence. For instance, 私は学生です。In this case, 私 is a topic and describing who you are. In addition, notice particle は is written in hiragana ha. However, you pronounce は. As you notice, this comes at the end of the sentence and it shows tense. This is only used for present and future tenses. From now on, let's call non-past tense. This always supports nouns and adjectives. For instance, 私は Mary です。Again, 私 is your topic and Mary is your description. Then, this comes right after Mary to conclude the sentence. Particle か is a question marker and always added to question sentences. For instance, let's take this example. 私は学生です which means I'm a student. If you ask someone, are you a student? Then it will be 学生ですか? Let's review. Particle は is a topic particle, also known as subject marker. Particle か is a question marker, always add か to question sentences. Lastly, this always comes at the end of the sentence with nouns and or adjectives. Most importantly, this shows tense. In this case, non-past tense.